Hello, my name is Brianna Haynes, and this is my initial project planning. The title of my project is going to be about asking and answering questions to identify the main idea and key details of a story. My learning goals and objectives. So my goal for this project, the goal for this project will help students identify the main idea and key details by asking questions using the who, what, when, where, why, and how. The objective for this project will to require students to read a text and or view a video of a story to ask the following questions: who, what, when, where, why, and how. And then to demonstrate, by asking these questions, is going to help demonstrate understanding and the main idea and key details of the story viewed or read. So I will know that students have obtained the appropriate level, or whoever's teaching this lesson would know that students have obtained the appropriate level of learning when the students can identify one or more of the following. They can identify asking and answering questions in the text or in the audio text, so they know to ask those 5 W questions: that who, that what, that when, that where, that why, and sometimes that how. And they can demonstrate their understanding by answering those questions. Who is the main idea? What is the main idea? Okay. How can we feed off of that main idea to ask more details, which will give us the key details from the main idea? Um, so descriptive of this assessment. So throughout the week, the lesson will be open. To open the lesson, the teacher will ask why is it important that we ask questions in a story. This will open up the students, stimulate their minds to start thinking about, okay, these are the key details in this story. This is what this story is all about, and going from there. And then teachers will ask some questions like, who are the characters in the story? What is the story about? When did this story happen? Where did the setting of the story take place? And this will help, again, like I said, identify those key details. The teacher will open the lessons up with those. Um, Asking those questions. Then they will complete an anchor chart on the 5 whys, the who, what, when, where, why, and how, and also create an anchor chart on what's the main focus and those details from that main focus. Um, the students will complete a formative lesson from an interactive Nearpod, identifying, asking, and answering questions in the main idea and key details. So in this interactive Nearpod, the Nearpod will be going, and as the Nearpod is reading the story, it's going to ask those questions in the middle of it. So you can't progress to the rest of the story until you answer those questions in the Nearpod lesson. So the materials used are going to be the anchor charts. You have the Nearpod lesson, the interactive Nearpod lesson. Schoology is where all the assignments will be uploaded, and then you also have YouTube if you would like to view a video that is um, located online. The Read Aloud is online. Thanks.